SHS sections stand for square hollow sections, which obviously the clue is in the name, they are square. SHS sections are described by three parameters, one being the width and the depth, which is in this case 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters, and the third number is the thickness of the wall in millimeters, and in this case it is 4 millimeters. SHS sections are mainly used for columns, so you'd have a base plate welded to the bottom and a cap plate which supports a beam, or sometimes you might see beams coming into the side of the column. In this case it is quite tricky to make the connection work because of the lack of access from the inside. When it comes to hollow sections, there are two types. One is cold formed and the other one is hot formed. If it is cold formed, it means that it started its life as a flat sheet of metal and was then bent and the ends welded together, and here you can see the weld. The alternative, hot formed, are sections that come out from the mill straight away as square hollow sections.